Here I have a 2024 Ram 1500 Rebel, and if you ever have to do the rear brakes, you have to put it in maintenance mode. And it's pretty easy. They make it easy here. You don't need a scan tool. You just want to come here to the menu and press vehicle, and then you want to go down and press here where it says brakes, and then right here where it says brake service, and it says, would you like to retract park brakes to allow your brake system service? You just press yes, and that's only for the rear brakes. So you press yes, and then you'll actually start to hear the brakes retract. If you open up your door or roll down the window, you'll hear the little motors. All right, now they've been retracted, and you can do your little brake job. You could leave the car off if you want to, so you don't waste the battery. All right, and then you're also gonna have this light here, and basically telling you it's on maintenance mode. And then once you're done, turn the ignition on, and then press on the brake, and pull up on the park brake switch. And then your light should go off, and you'll hear the motors actually extending back to the position. And then this will just stay like this. You just have to exit out of it, and then that's about it. And then just make sure you recheck the parking brake switch and make sure it's activating, right? So hopefully this helps you out.